What's up everyone, it's me Amir, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna learn how to create isometric text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's dive into it. First of all, click rectangle, left click, and then make the size 1920 by 1080. After that, go to view and activate the smart guide. Grab rectangle to the center. Disable the stroke. Fill the color with eyedropper tool and create new layer for this rectangle. Then move it to the bottom and lock the background layer and create another one for the isometric text. Alright, let's go ahead to the type tool, and then you can increase the size, change the font to exist, make size to 300, fill it to yellow. And then adding extrude and bevel effect and choose position to isometric top. And then expand, right click on it, scale to the 135 and grab it to the center. Let's make another text. And then fill it, and you can set this to -50. Sorry, you have to make it vertical. You can adding extrude and bevel effect. Select position to isometric top. Right click, scale to the same size. Grab and drag it to the center. Ungroup and delete this A letter. And then I want to ungroup this letter first and ungroup another letter too. And make it to the front. I want to select all this letter and fill it with a dropper tool. Increase the stroke size to 4 and make it white. I'm going to unite this view shape here and then choose another shapes. and fill with this color and another shapes just like that. And here we go again with the same process. Once you've done that, let's copy and paste in place to make a shadow from these shapes. Make the fill and stroke into black. Expand. Duplicate it by press Ctrl C and Alt Shift V. And then select these two shapes and go ahead to blend and make. Go again to blend option, change it to specific step and make it 250. And then object, expand and unite. After that, click new layer for the shadow. Move to under it and adjust the position. And change the opacity to 50. Let's select all layer and then group all of it. Once you've done that, let's unlock this background. Go ahead to Appearance, adding new fill by clicking this icon Library, Pattern, Basic Graphic Dot, and choose this dot. And then duplicate it, adding new gradient, change to radial, and then fill the color. Reduce the opacity to 60. And this one to 40. Slide this a little bit. And change this to 70%. That's it. Thanks for all of you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. so we can learn and grow in together. Keep adding your creativity into your daily life.